CX Automatic Tin Can Sealing Machine. This automatic can sealing machine is designed for sealing 5-liter square tin cans. It has an automatic lid replenishment system with 4 lid feeding slots. When a slot runs out of lids, the system automatically rotates to refill it, keeping production going smoothly. The sealing part has a 4-roller setup, which applies even pressure for a tight seal on tin cans. This design improves sealing quality and helps prevent leaks or contamination. The machine is controlled by a PLC and operated through a user-friendly touch screen, making it easy to understand and operate. The machine uses advanced automation, so it seals cans without needing manual help, boosting production efficiency. CX Pack, your most professional, trustworthy and ideal packing machines partner.